Now on to matters empowering small businesses, and close to 1,000 SMEs in the coast region have benefited from county business forums hosted by ABSA Bank Kenya in partnership with the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, aimed at boosting growth of enterprise in the region.
We have had a big tour across the country, from the western tour where we went to 5 different counties, and then here in the coastal area, starting from Kwale, Malindi, Kilifi, Taita Taveta, quite a number of places. And all of these we are doing just to make sure that we are meeting our customers, we are getting to get feedback from them on how we can be able to improve our services. And that's the partnership that, you know, I've been speaking to.
We have talked about the Mombasa revolving fund, which is the fund that we promised people for during the campaign period, on people being able to have access. One of the models that we want to use is that we will take a lump sum and deposit it with the financial institution. The financial institution will in turn use that as a guarantee to give to the SMEs and MMEs at with a very decent grace period.
Now, in its expansion drive and battle for market share in the country, Naivas has opened its 87th branch in Kahawa Sukari. This is the second of the four branches